Welcome to the letter L of the Incy alphabet, bite-sized lettering tutorials for your busy life. For L, we're going to be looking at how you can overlap and create dimension within your letter itself. So that's done by overlapping the different portions of the letter. L is a perfect letter to do this with because there are many overlaps that happen in the script, capital L. For today, we're going to be drawing out a script L, and I want you to pay attention to the ways that you can vary the L. Just like with our F or our B, you can make different portions of the L larger or smaller in order to suit your own style. For instance, you can create a large overhead loop compared to the rest of it. Oh, and let's make sure we ruin our page first. You can also create a smaller overhead loop compared to the rest of it. Just make sure that you are always focusing first on legibility and not getting too crazy with the way that the loops go. Now you're going to add in your color right away. So we can do both of these or whichever one you personally like best. Remember to erase lightly so that you still have your guideline, but that you don't pick up any of that pencil with your marker. On the areas of your letter that go down, you're going to use more pressure, and you can even create thicker strokes with something as simple as a Crayola marker. If you haven't yet really dived into areas of upstrokes and downstrokes and lettering, I would highly suggest my Let's Start Lettering class, which is a perfect foundational course for creating beautiful letters with areas of upstrokes and downstrokes. You want to color these in with a light colored marker because we're going to be using a darker colored marker to create those areas of overlap. I've linked to the Let's Start Lettering course down below so that you can see if any of your lettering frustrations, and I definitely say that they would be, can be alleviated by taking a course like this, which will teach you the proper fundamentals for your basic brush pen lettering. Now that you have your letters with color, we're going to be stopping here, and next day we will look at how you determine the areas of overlap and how you can make them stand out.